Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bless. Today is April 25, 2024. And meron ngayong surpresa. May pasurpresa tayo ngayon kay Mateo. Kasi siya ay tatanghaling Student of the Month today. So tara, let's go to the school. Hindi niya alam na pupunta kami. At hindi rin niya alam na Student of the Month siya today. So, go, go, go! Rufa May! At eto na nga guys, nakasakay na ako sa sasakyan at pupunta na sa school ni Mateo dahil may pasurprisa. Sabi nga ni Vice Ganda, may pasurprisa. So, magugulat siya dahil sa pupunta kami ngayon sa school. Sa ayaw niya at sa gusto. Sinabihan ko nga siya na pupunta ako dahil panunuorin ko yung kaklase niya. Ayaw daw niya. So, tingnan natin ang reaction niya mamaya pagdating namin doon. At nakita niya kami. So, tara, panuorin nyo. Huwag kayong aalis. Tapusin nyo hanggang huli. Bye for now. Kaya dito na kami sa school. May assembly sila. So, papunta na kami sa loob. Okay guys, lalakad na ako. Pupunta na kami sa loob. Dahil may assembly ngayon si Mateo. Papasok na kami sa loob ng kanilang cafeteria. At doon kasi ginaganap yung assembly. Oh! There we go. Ayun si Mateo, itong mga takbo, nakita na niya kami eh. Na-surpresa talaga.
So here we are. We're just down to super... I agree. Yeah, let's do one round of applause. We're down to one more month. So today's, and then May super sharps, and then there's just 2 days in April, and then just 2 days in June. June 3rd and June 4th, and then the school year's over. Quick, I know it's quick, but it's always nice to get together. All right, when I say, you say sharp, super, super. Yes. I want you to watch the video, and you're gonna pay attention to what you can do. What you can do. What you can, and that's one example of what you can do. Great, not wrong, but you're ahead of us. All right, here we go. Waterfall, waterfall.
Nice flip phone, sir. Can I interest you in something from this century?
This phone works just fine, thank you very much. And I'm helping the planet. Dear Tim and Moby, how do people celebrate Earth Day? From Ira. Well, Ira, people celebrate by taking action for the environment. Volunteering, writing to political leaders, planting trees, or even keeping your old phone another year. Anyway, Earth Day only comes around once a year on April 22nd, but its goal is to jumpstart environmental action that lasts all year long. Because before the first Earth Day in 1970, most Americans didn't think the environment needed protection. I mean, it just seemed so big. How could we harm it? But during the 1960s, that started to change. It became impossible to ignore the effects of pollution, dumping toxic waste into the environment, which, by the way, was totally legal at the time. And all around the country, the results were plain to see. Lake Erie's beaches were piled with dead fish, poisoned by industrial waste. Off the coast of California, hundreds of miles of ocean turned black with spilled oil. Ohio's Cuyahoga River even caught fire from all the oil and trash in it. And in New York, 200 people died in a single weekend because of the filthy air. While all of this was going on, a new branch of science was surging. Ecology, the study of how living things interact with each other and their environment. What it revealed was so alarming that scientists felt they had to speak out. Earth needed our protection. Yeah, saving the planet is a pretty daunting...
All right. There was a sentence that was just stated. It was said in English.
Listen carefully.
Needed our protection. Our environment. What it revealed was so alarming that scientists felt they had to speak out. Earth needed our protection.
A few moments later.
And the next student I want to recognize is also someone who comes into our classroom. She is safe, she is respectful, she is responsible, she's trying her best. Genesis Godínez.
Buenos estudiantes en el salón. El primer estudiante no está aquí, pero uno vamos a reconocer. The first student here, we're going to recognize him, is Adriel Torres. Nuestro segundo estudiante es Vanessa Holguín Canales. Y nuestra última estudiante es Elena González Ortiz.
Much better. Okay, so I have 3 students I would like to recognize for the month of April. These 3 students are responsible, respectful, and safe in and out of the classroom. And I also want to recognize for their academic excellence in reading, writing, and in math. They're always ready to learn. The first student I would like to recognize is a first grader, Alan Fieros. Come on up, congratulations. Good job, right here. Mateo. I know you're excited, okay? Okay, the second grader I would like to recognize is Kai Long. Congratulations, dear. Okay, the third student I would like to recognize is a third grader, Mateo Dizon. Adrian.
Return to me, for my heart wants you only. Hurry home, won't you please? Hurry home to my heart. Mañana, cuando ya estés cansada de tanto por la vida vagar. To my heart. Okay, ya estuvo.
Let's make it happen next month. All right. Con eso, a couple of announcements, unos anuncios. You know that tomorrow, no school.
Mexico, Latin America, it's celebrated. Not so much in the United States, but we're gonna have an evening event. We're gonna have food. We're gonna have games. So it's a community event, family event to celebrate kids. Maybe even some gifts for students. All right? On Tuesday. The next one is
El 10 de Mayo, right? May 10th. Throughout Latin America, many countries in Latin America, it's Mother's Day. So we want to have a community event in the evening So I see one father at least. I see two fathers. So May 10th, right? May 10th, we want to honor the moms, the grandmothers, the aunties, las mamás, las abuelitas. So we're going to have a community event, un convivio. We have a mariachi coming. Right? So we want the dads to cater. All right? So with that, let's turn to your teachers and pay attention for directions to leave our multi-purpose room.
Guys, thank you for watching. See you again next time. Please subscribe, like, and share. I love you all subscribers. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Congratulations, Mateo, for being Student of the Month. April 25, 2024. Bye! See you again next time. Ito po kami. Galing kami sa loob ng multipurpose hall. At kami ay umattend ng assembly. Student of the Month ni Mateo. Wait, sandali. Wala pa 13 minutes. Sandali muna. Uy, interviewin ko muna. Ayan, ako, ano ba nangyari? Interviewin ko muna kayo. Okay, Johnny. Tell something about Mateo. What is your... are you happy that he
I'm
is...
so happy. This is his second time for this year's Student of the Month.
Yeah, very proud daddy.
Very proud dad.
Okay, si Emert naman. How about you, Mommy? Mommy Mateo?
I'm so proud. Good job, Mateo.
Oh, is that all?
Yeah, that's all.
You say, I love you, Mateo.
I love you.
Okay, all I can say is I'm very proud of my grandson. He's so smart and I love him so very much. Oh, Mateo, I love you so much. Thank you for being respectful, responsible. Okay, bye. Okay guys, ayan, pupunta na kami sa car. At ako'y ing-ina. Ang ginaw dito eh. It's so ginaw here. Guys, it's so ginaw. We're going back to the car. Oh, sandali, meron ditong sarap. Ito, look at this. Oh, there are so many fruits here. Ano ba to? Lemon ba yan? O what? Sandali, iiwanan na. Naiwanan na ako. Oh. Sabi nila wag daw magse-selfie na nakikita yung mga fingerprint. Meron akong napanood. So wag ka magse-selfie. Ganyan na lang, hindi na lang ganun. Fingerprint.